Hi there, I'm Samuel, a paid ads and tracking specialist. If you ever feel like you are wasting money on ads because you cannot see what's actually working, you are not alone. Most businesses face the same problem. The tracking is broken, the numbers don't match, and results don't make sense. And when the data is wrong, ads stop performing, no matter how good the strategy is. That's where I help. I make sure every sale, every lead, and every important action is tracked correctly. So you finally get clear, reliable numbers. I work on fixing broken tracking, setting up accurate tracking for Meta ads and Google ads, Shopify tracking that shows real results, clean, easy to understand reports, running paid ads that actually use correct data to improve performance, set up Google Analytics 4, and my goal is very simple, make your tracking accurate so your ads stop wasting money and start bringing real results. I explain everything in easy way and I handle all the technical parts so you don't have to worry about anything. If you want accurate tracking and better performing ads, I would be happy to help. Thanks for watching.